Take a ride in the 2019 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, power equipment group, rear stabilizer bar. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.